Welcome to the recap of our PIAIC second class, held on July 28, 2024. Today, we explored a variety of topics that are essential for building modern applications. Let's dive in. First up, we learned about the foundation of any business today, the API, or Application Programming Interface. Think of an API as a bridge that allows different software applications to communicate seamlessly. We utilized Python, a versatile programming language, to build our APIs. Next, we ventured into the realm of the cloud. The cloud enables your application to be accessible from anywhere in the world, making it truly global. This means users can access our apps online, anytime, anywhere. Now let's talk about the front end. This is the face of your application, the part users interact with directly. Whether it's a mobile app, a chatbot, or a web application, the front end is all about client-side experience. We also discussed human-cloud interaction, particularly the role of a public dealing officer. This role focuses on engaging with cloud-based applications that people rely on daily. An exciting topic was how to connect APIs with custom GPTs, generative pre-trained transformers. These advanced AI models can be tailored for specific tasks, allowing you to create unique applications that users can download from the custom GPT store. We then delved into open API specifications. These are crucial for describing your API in a standardized format, making it easier for others to understand and implement. Our discussion included quotients that measure different capabilities. The action quotient, AQ, assesses our ability to execute tasks, while emotional quotient, EQ, and intelligence quotient, IQ, measure emotional and intellectual capabilities, respectively. We explored prompt engineering, focusing on crafting effective prompts for interacting with AI models, especially GPTs, ensuring better responses and efficiency. To develop our applications, we set up a robust development environment. This included tools like WSL for running Linux commands on Windows, Docker Desktop for managing software containers, and VS Code as our code editor. Finally, we wrapped up by learning how to install Ubuntu in WSL and write a simple Hello World program. Now let's move towards the installations of tool required for the course. First of all, we open a Chrome tab and then navigate to github.com. We search for Paniversity. The first two repositories are the ones which we're going to learn from in the first quarter of PIAIC. For the installation, visit the Learn Cloud Native Modern Python repository and open the README file. I've provided the link to the repositories and all the links in the video description. We will be looking at VS Code, Python tutorial for VS Code, GitHub Desktop, Docker Desktop, and the Ubuntu image for Linux. For downloading VS Code, click on the link from the repository. It will open the web page of VS Code, and there's a download button on the top right corner. When we click it, it lands us on a page where we can install VS Code according to our PC specifications. I downloaded the file, and here's the step-by-step tutorial for setting it up. Next, we have to install Docker Desktop, which we will also download from the link in the repository. Meanwhile, we are downloading GitHub Desktop from the repo. Here is how to set Docker up. I already have it installed, so it is showing that Docker Desktop is already the latest version. Now we open the Docker Desktop application. Now we run the Ubuntu image in the command prompt after setting Docker Desktop. We copy the commands from the repo and paste it in the command prompt. After it responds with what's next, we have to copy the other command and run it too. Then it will change the command prompt into a Linux simulator. So that's all for today. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Wizard Explains, for all types of explanations. Thanks for watching.